Class 5. After the today, I'm going to do the English grammar PT9 revision based on letters, because in your syllabus there is two types of letters are coming, that is formal and informal. So based on that, these MCQs are here. आप लोगों ने हेडिंग तो लिख लिया होगा कि इंग्लिश ग्रामर PT9 रिवीजन, उसके हेडिंग के बाद ये क्वेश्चन उतारना चालू करो. Start writing the first question. The first question is, how would you not send a formal letter? How would you not send a formal letter? Options ऑप्शन भी लिखो. क्वेश्चन लिखने के बाद राइट डाउन ऑप्शंस आल्सो. पहला क्वेश्चन लिखो, हाउ वुड यू नॉट सेंड अ फॉर्मल लेटर, और उसके बाद राइट द ऑप्शन आल्सो. A by post, B by email, or C by hand, by one hand, or D by bus. You write down the option, I'm giving you the answer. Write down, write down. Then the correct answer is by bus. टिक बाय बस. ऑप्शन नंबर डी को टिक कर दो. डन. नाउ कॉपी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. If you are writing a job application letter, question number 2 is, if you are writing a job application letter but you haven't been given a named contact, how do you sign off your letter? If you are writing a job application letter but you haven't been given a name contact, how do you sign off a letter? This is question 2, and the options are A, cheers, B, yours faithfully, or C, yours sincerely. Write down, then I will give you the answer. Write down. Write down question number 2 and its option, then I will give you the answer. Yes, the correct answer is option B, yours faithfully. The correct answer is, the correct answer of question 2 is B, yours faithfully. Okay. Write down, write down. I hope question 1 you must have done. Now I'm moving. Removing question 1, I'm moving ahead. Now whoever has finished writing question 2, please write question 3. Question 3 is, when you are writing a formal letter, when you are writing a formal letter, what information might you need? And the options are A, dates, B, names, C, contact details, or D, all of these. Please write down the question and all the options, then I will give you the answer. Please write down. I hope all of you must have written question 3 and the options also. So I'm giving answer of question 3. The correct answer for question 3 is option D, all of these. ओके क्योंकि जब हम फॉर्मल लेटर लिखते हैं हमें सब की जरूरत पड़ती है, डेट्स की भी, नाम की भी और कॉन्टेक्ट डिटेल का भी. सो ऑल ऑफ दीज. राइट डाउन, राइट डाउन. Now, whoever has finished question 2 and 3, start writing question 4. I'm moving question 2, okay? Now start writing question 4. Start writing question 4. Now let me read what is question 4. Question 4 is, if you were writing a letter, question 4, MCQ question 4 on letter. If you were writing a letter to the housing department to log a repair, how would you begin your letter? I repeat question 4. If you are writing a letter to the housing department to log a repair, how would you begin your letter? Options are A, dear friend, B, hi, or C, dear sir or madam. Write down the question and also the option. Actually ये Fred नहीं होगा, मैं बता दूं, ये friend होगा. ऑप्शन ए को डियर फ्रेंड लिखो, FRIEND फ्रेंड लिखना. ऑप्शंस ए, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का ऑप्शन ए, क्वेश्चन 4 ऑप्शन ए विल बी फ्रेंड, FRIEND फ्रेंड लिखो, फ्रेड नहीं. डोंट राइट फ्रेड, ओके. I hope all of you have copied question 4. Now I'm giving you the answer of question 4. The answer of question 4 will be option C, dear sir or madam. Okay? Write down, write down. Done? Done. So if you are done with question 1, 2, 3 and also with 4, then let's move to question 5. Let's move to question 5. Question 5 is, if you are writing a complaint letter, if you are writing a complaint letter to your local council, what is the best way to end the letter? And the options are A, hope all is well. Option B, I look forward to hearing from you as soon as possible. Or option C, send some round here now or else. So let me give you the answer of question 5. I hope all of you have must have written. Question 5. The correct answer for question 5 is option B. I look forward to hearing from you as soon as possible. Write down speedily. You have less time. Write down. Please write down. I have to give you question 6 also. Write fast. Write down. I hope question 5 all of you must have done. Now I'm moving to question 6. Now this is question 6. I hope you must have done question 5. 4 and 5. Question 4 and 5. You must have finished. This is question 4 and question 5 with answer. Done. Question 4 and question 5. Everyone done? And now I'm going to question 6. See, this is question 6 and 7. Now let me read question 6 for you. Question 6 is, if you are writing a letter of complaint to the housing department because your repair has not been dealt with, how would you start your letter? Option A, I am sick of this council. Option B, if you don't get someone out here quickly, I will call my MP. Or C, I am writing to report a problem with my bathroom. Write down, then I will tell you the correct answer. Write down the question, write down the option also fast. Write down. Whoever has finished question 6, start writing question 7 also. If you are finished with question 6, then I'm telling you the right answer. The correct answer for question 6 is option C. I am writing to report a problem with my bathroom. Write down. Whoever finished question 6, start writing question 7. Now, what is question 7? Question 7 is, what is the missing word in this sentence? I am writing with dash to my application. And the options are A, regard, B, relate, or C, account. Write down the question 7 and its option. Then I will give you the answer fast. Write down. Now I am telling you the correct answer for question 7. The correct answer for question 7 is option A, regard. Option A, regard. Write down, write down. Write down. I hope all of you must have finished question 6 and 7. Now I'm moving to question number 8. I'm moving this question. I'm going to question 8. All of you, please write down question number 8. Question number 8, likho. Whoever has finished question 6 and 7, I'm moving ahead to question 7, 8, 9, and 10. Please speed up, speed up. I hope question 6 and 7 over. I hope question 6 and 7 is over. Now I'm going to question 8, 9, and 10. These are question 8, 9, and 10. These are question 8, 9, and 10. Question number 8 is, what do the letters say stand for? ऐसे say. It stands for option B, stamped address anyway. Okay. Now question number, whoever has finished question number 8, start copying question 9. Question 9 is true or false. Before you start a letter, the most important thing to think about is who is going to read it. A, the statement is true, or B, the statement is false. Correct answer is A, the statement is true. Write down, and whoever finished question 9 also start copying question 10. Whoever has finished question 9, question 8 and question 9, Start copying question 10. Question 10 is, you are writing to a mail order company to request a catalog. You are writing to a mail order company to request a catalog. What should you include in your letter? A, the exact name of the catalog. B, the reason you need the catalog. Or C, what you like about the company. Write down question 10 and its option. I'm giving you the answer. Yes, I'm giving you the answer of question 10, the last question. The correct answer is option A, the exact name of the catalog. And it is done. I made you do the revision of English grammar. देखो मैंने होमवर्क भी दिया है आज, जो कल मैंने होमवर्क दिया था लेटर का, वो ठीक से देख लेना. कल भी मैंने जो लेटर, जो होमवर्क दिया मैंने असाइनमेंट में, वो लेटर एमसीक्यू के ऊपर था. एमसीक्यू के लेटर के ऊपर होमवर्क था, एमसीक्यू था. वो 10 और ये 10 जो मैंने आज कराया, इन दोनों को ठीक से अच्छे से देख लेना. दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन विल कम इन एमसीक्यू, आई मीन PT9 रिवीजन. This type of question will come in PT9 test tomorrow, okay? This type. I hope all of you have done. Now I have to end my class. It's already 12:36. I hope all of you have done. Now I'm removing it. I'm ending my class here now.